Amigo eSIM is quickly becoming a top choice for travelers, but before you dive in and make a purchase, there are 7 key things you need to know. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'll be covering details that could save you time, money, and potential headaches. And trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly whether Amigo eSIM is the right choice for you. Plus, I've got the best offer for you to try it for completely free from the first link below. So, let's dive in. First thing you should know, Amigo eSIM is not your typical eSIM service. Unlike traditional SIM cards, this one doesn't require you to physically swap out your SIM card, which means it's way more convenient for frequent travelers. You can instantly switch between networks in different countries without the hassle of changing physical SIM cards, and that's a big time saver, especially when you're bouncing between countries quickly. Compared to competitors like Airalo or Nomad, Amigo eSIM offers a user-friendly experience with its simple activation process and clear data plans, which is a big plus for anyone who's not tech-savvy. Next thing you need to know is about coverage. One of the standout features of Amigo eSIM is its global coverage. It supports over 100 countries, which means you're not just limited to a few regions. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, you'll have coverage in most places you go. This is something that sets Amigo apart from some competitors that focus only on certain regions or charge extra for coverage in remote areas. Plus, the quality of service is top-notch with reliable data speeds, making it a great option if you're constantly on the move. The third thing you need to be aware of is data flexibility. Amigo eSIM offers flexible data plans that cater to all types of users. Whether you need just a small amount of data for browsing and messaging, or you need a large plan for heavy data use like streaming or working remotely, Amigo has you covered. It's great for travelers who don't want to commit to a long-term contract or get stuck paying for more data than they'll actually use. You can easily adjust your plan based on your needs without any hidden fees. The fourth thing you should know is the pricing structure. When comparing Amigo eSIM to other providers, their pricing is pretty competitive, especially if you're looking for a no-fuss, pay-as-you-go option. Unlike some competitors, Amigo doesn't bury you in complicated pricing tiers. Instead, they keep it simple, making it easy for you to choose a plan that fits your travel habits and budget. And with no physical SIM to ship, you're saving money on the cost of shipping, which is an additional benefit. Next up, customer service. Amigo eSIM shines here too. They offer excellent customer support with real-time assistance, which is crucial when you're traveling in a foreign country and need help with your eSIM setup or data issues. Most other eSIM providers don't have this level of personalized customer service, which can leave you frustrated if you encounter any issues. With Amigo, you're more likely to get quick and effective solutions. Now let's talk about the installation process. Unlike some eSIMs that can be a bit tricky to install, Amigo makes it as simple as possible. You can activate your eSIM through their app or website with just a few clicks. Plus, you don't need to have an internet connection to activate the eSIM, which is a huge bonus when you're traveling to new destinations. Some competitors require you to have Wi-Fi, but with Amigo, the activation is a breeze, even without internet access. Finally, the best part, you can try Amigo eSIM for free. If you're unsure whether it's the right fit for your travels, you can use the first link in the description to get the best offer and even try it out for free. With this offer, you'll get a risk-free chance to experience all the features I've mentioned here and see how it works for you. You won't find a deal like this with most eSIM providers, so it's a great opportunity to explore what Amigo has to offer without commitment. So, if you're ready to experience seamless travel with Amigo eSIM, just click the first link in the description below. Get the best free trial, exclusive benefits, and all the coverage you need. Don't miss out on this deal. Try it for free today.